Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today we have an incredibly informative video for all our diabetic viewers out there. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 powerful and natural drinks that can help manage diabetes effectively. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Drink number 1, cinnamon infusion. Cinnamon is a powerful spice that can help regulate blood sugar levels. It contains bioactive compounds that enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance. To make this drink, simply steep a few cinnamon sticks in hot water for about 15 minutes. You can enjoy it warm or chilled. Remember, moderation is key. Drink number 2, bitter gourd juice. Bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon, is rich in essential nutrients and compounds that help lower blood sugar levels. Its natural insulin-like properties make it a fantastic addition to your diabetes management routine. To prepare this drink, juice a fresh bitter gourd and consume it on an empty stomach. You can even add a squeeze of lemon or a dash of honey to enhance the taste. Drink number 3, fenugreek water. Fenugreek seeds are a wonderful ingredient for managing diabetes. They contain soluble fiber and other compounds that slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. To make this drink, soak a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. It's a simple and effective way to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Drink number 4, green smoothie. Green smoothies are a fantastic way to incorporate a variety of nutrient-rich vegetables and fruits into your diet. These leafy greens and low-glycemic fruits provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber without causing drastic blood sugar spikes. Blend together a handful of spinach, kale, cucumber, and an apple with some water or low-fat yogurt, and enjoy this refreshing and diabetes-friendly drink. Drink number 5, aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is not only great for your skin, but also for managing diabetes. It contains compounds that help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood sugar levels. To prepare this drink, slice open an aloe vera leaf, scoop out the gel, and blend it with water or a natural sweetener like stevia. Remember to consume it in moderation due to its laxative effects. And there you have it, folks. 5 powerful and natural drinks to help manage diabetes. Always remember to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or incorporating these drinks into your routine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.